Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate to Google Workspace using security keys. Detailed guide step by step clearly. Begin by ensuring you have a compatible security key ready for use. Insert your security key into the USB port of your device. If you are using a Bluetooth or NFC key, make sure it is charged and ready to connect. Next, open the Google Workspace login page in your web browser. Enter your email address and click on the Next button. Input your password and click Next again. Once you reach the authentication page, select the option to use your security key. Follow on-screen prompts to prepare your security key for authentication. If prompted, tap the button on your security key to activate it. For Bluetooth keys, follow any additional instructions to connect via Bluetooth. After successful activation, your Google Workspace account should authenticate securely. If you encounter any issues, verify that your security key is supported by Google Workspace. Also, ensure your device's operating system and browser are up to date to avoid compatibility problems. You can manage your security key settings in the Google Account Security section. Remember to keep your key in a safe place when not in use. If you need to change security keys, go back to your Google account settings. Here, you can remove the old key and add a new one by following the prompts. With this, you've successfully authenticated to Google Workspace using security keys. Always keep your security measures updated for enhanced protection. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.